tunes everyone can sing and dance along. Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi. Can you hear me?
I can.
Hi. Okay, I've got live on the line with me, Mega Maestro. Hi, Mega.
Hi, Michael.
Oh,
Israel, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you very much. You can hear me loud and clear?
I can hear you loud and clear. Greetings.
Oh, greetings. Right, welcome to Variation on a Love Theme, and you are my special guest on today's Foreplay Part 2. And you know what Foreplay Part 2 is? I asked the listeners to send me 4 of their special tracks, lovers rock tracks preferably, but they can mix and blend it whenever they want, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'll play them on the air because I love to hear what my listeners are listening to because they're always listening to my tracks. So thank you very much this week for giving me 4 of your tracks. So we're gonna start out with track number 1, and then we're gonna have a little introduction as to who Mega Maestro is and etc. etc. So we're gonna
All
start
right
out
then.
with track number 1, and it's Al Campbell, Talk About Love. Why you choose this one? Yeah.
I love that song. The first time I ever listened to that song, I like it. It brings back a lot of memories. It's in my early raving days. It remind me of, dancehall when I started to, DJ over
Okay.
sets and things like that. So, yeah.
Okay.
And it was one of my favorite pieces. And I remember going out anywhere I go, I try to get the DJ to play the tune if I can, or if they've got it in their selection. Yeah,
All right.
my
Al
favorites.
Campbell
Yeah,
and Mr. Alfonso Campbell. So,
yes,
Mega
it's a pleasure.
Maestro. Who is Mega Maestro? Where you come from?
Well, yes, Mega Maestro. I've been on the scene quite a while. You would know, but yes, I'm here to let you know. From late 70s, early 80s, really. Foundation. Dancehall, um, DJ, poetry, write music, sing music, rap
Mm-hmm.
music. When music was being called, dancehall music was being called toasted from Ira, Uri, Big U, them days. Yeah, I've been about.
Right. Okay. So you're Mega Maestro. You're female, obviously.
Okay,
you,
yeah,
you come.
definitely am.
You come from London.
Hmm.
What's your like background, parentage, heritage?
My parents is from Grenada.
All right.
My community very diverse.
Yeah.
My Jamaican family people from way back when.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All
So
right.
yeah, we all grew up in the community together as Caribbeans, English
Mm.
born, British,
Yeah.
and just doing the thing in the community.
Yeah. Okay. So you say you've been DJing for a lot. So why are you a singer? Are you a female MC? Are you what
Well,
kind
I
of what?
started off as a female MC from
Hmm.
when Sister Nancy was doing her thing in Jamaica. I Mega Maestro, Sister Maestro, otherwise known as Lady Maestro at the time,
Right.
was doing my thing in England, you know,
Hmm.
on the same dancehall scenery, DJing on sound system.
Okay. For now, it's foreplay. We continue spinning 4 of your favorite tracks that you're sending this week. So that was track number 1, Al Campbell. Track number 2, Freddie McKay, Fit Picture on the Wall. Why choose this one?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite tracks again, Studio One. It's very nostalgic for me, it brings back a lot of memories from even when my parents used to play it. My father used to go out every week and buy his records and come home and so proud after work, after he finished have his dinner and he put on his music and start playing. And I suppose that get into my
Yeah.
bones as well, you know, and here we are. So yeah, it brings me a lot of memories on the dance scene again, you know.
All
Very
right.
nice tune, and I love it, and I will never stop loving them tune here.
All
No?
right. All right. And you did choose two tracks called "Picture on the Wall." They have
Yeah, there's a theme. It's a theme, isn't it? Um, what can I say? You know, I love pictures. I love songs, especially like different ways of singing about love.
yeah,
And
yeah.
it has a lot of it has a lot of um, can identify with it a lot. Like when
Mm,
somebody would leave your life, whether they pass on or in a relationship or what have you. Could identify with a lot of what it's saying. Um,
yeah.
yeah, I love the tune, and I love pictures too. So there's a theme behind it because I do a
Mm,
little bit of I like to take a lot of pictures. I like to take down pictures, put new pictures up. I just love pictures. I love art as well. So
yeah,
it's all
yeah.
collectively, yeah.
I suppose we're also going to find out about how you use words to create pictures, i.e., within your music, within your songwriting as well. In it, so we're going to find out some more about that when we chat to you on the Step Forward podcast. Yeah, man, we have to keep plugging it. Make
All
people
right.
watch out for that, right? Yeah, man. So that's track number 2 there, Freddie McKay, Picture on the Wall. Here comes track number 3, and it's called Let's Get It On, Marvin Gaye. Why you pick this one?
It's one of my first, because I like I said, I like you, Roy, and toasting type of music. I wasn't really into little soft music. That's something that came along later on. And this was one of the first Marvin Gaye from way back when, like Cherry Old Baby, back in the day when, like I said, my father used to come in and play music. My mum used to sit down and play music, and these were their music. They used to keep little house parties. And the
Yeah.
family come down, and these are what they used to dance to. So it resonates with me a great deal.
Yeah. My special guest this week on Foreplay Part 2 Variation and a Love Theme, Mycallisrell here with you with my very special guest. Goes by the name of Megga Mystro. Also Empress Mystro.
Yes, I.
She's a songwriter, singer, spoken word artist, performer, mother, grandmother.
Uh-huh. Yeah, proud and loud.
All
Grandmother,
right.
as your
Okay.
auntie too sweet.
Yeah. So we're gonna send any big shout outs to the family, to the posse, to the tribe, to the crew, to the masses.
Yes, you can.
So I'm gonna send a shout out. Have you got your list? You have a list?
Not a list, but off the top of my head, I can, give a big shout out to man like Jay, Sophia, Sabrina, China, you know,
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, Mommy, Annie, Mikey, Ross Mikey, yeah, and everybody in the community that knows me, all in the South London area, North, East, West, South, big up and bless up every time. Oh, and I want to give a special request to my brother Joe on his
Mm-hmm.
birthday we just passed. His birthday just gone. Yeah, bless him
Yeah.
upon him earth strong. Yeah,
All right. Your name again, Joe? Where you said Joe?
Joe, yeah.
Joe, yeah. Happy birthday, Joe. One more year, man, my friend. One more
That
year,
is it.
man.
Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
Yeah.
My brother.
Well, thank you so much, Megga Mystro, for dropping in and sharing 4 of your tracks with us here on Variation on a Love Theme. Culture City Radio coming at you for a Sunday, man. We're just warming in nice and easy. Thank you so much, my sister. And watch out for her.
Yes, I am Jalil.
Just want one more special request before you put on this track for me, please.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to send out a big request to the family, whole family, and each and every one of us. Granddaughter Shami, Shy, you know, Kai,
Yeah.
and each and every one. Blessed up my husband will pass on, and it's the year memorial today. So we just
Okay.
want, you know, send out love and a special request and condolence and memories for all the family. Yeah.
Yes.
And,
What was your husband's name?
Fata.
Sata. All right. Memories for Sata. See?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So we have track number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Picture on the
Hit it.
wall. The natural lights.
And war.
So why is this one on your list?
Yeah, it remind me of, you know, back in the day, like I said, we used to got 12 tribes and, you know, taking a lot of, you know, 12 tribes, culture, roots.
Yeah. So when you said 12
one of
tribe,
my
for those not initiated, what do you mean by 12 tribe?
12 tribes of Israel. It was your revelation sound. And they used to keep the 12 tribes of Israel down.
Okay.
You know?
That's a Rastafari, right? That's,
Rastafari.
okay.
Yeah.
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 And every month we used to celebrate each month of the tribe, you know?
Right. So
Yeah. We used to, you know, with the movements.
Can I ask what
And the
tribe
order.
you are? Can I ask share with the listeners what tribe you are within the 12 tribe, just in case them curious like me?
Yeah, I'm a Levi.
All right. So also
Tribe
big
of
up all the
Levi.
Levi them.
Do you have a picture of His Majesty Rasta?
Yes, I am Jalil.
And
Yes,
do you have a picture
sir.
of His Majesty Dread? Yes, I am.
Hello?
Yeah. Now.
My house, there's a picture on the wall. Rastafari
On your
sit
line.
up on his throne.
Well, I can just imagine Sunday morning when people are either cook them rice and peas or them are dust
Aye.
or them are wash or them are wherever them are do, you can see them are bop away and I just yeah.
Definitely, most definitely.
Especially the Sunday morning. Do you still keep up those traditional Sunday morning routine in your house or from your mother
Oh,
days?
definitely, yes. Most definitely.
In my house,
Well, some
there's
things
a
are cooked.
picture on the wall.
I'm telling
Spring
you.
cleaning going on.
Hey, I'm telling you.
Children doing their homework. Now we see grandchildren. You know them way there?
From early
Everybody
out.
can mop in and get involved, you know?
From
There's
early.
no lazy hands in the house. Everybody can do something. Yeah.
Right, that was back in the day now.
In my house,
Nowadays, the kids them no come out of them bedroom.
Oh, not in this house. No.
Oh, not
no.
in that house.
Not in this house. You can come out of your bed, you can get involved. When you do your chores and your bits and pieces, homework, everything do, you clean, you fresh, you eat, you get involved. When you want to go back and lie down and rest yourself now, yeah, you chill.
Alright.
But yeah, I can't on work and everybody able body in the house and me wanna no. Because when they grow up they won't wanna do nothing.
Alright.
Every one of the children, and when they're young, they cook, they come, they clean, season fish, scale fish, do everything.
Mm-hmm.
And now when they're big now, they can do it for themselves.
See it there. Yeah, man, traditional stuff, you know. So that's your
Don't know.
4 tracks, Sister Mystro. Your 4 tracks there. Thank you so much for sharing them with us today.
And thank you very much, Mycallisrell, for playing me and allowing me with the four play today. Yeah.
All right.
And there's plenty more where that come from, you know. But for now, I give a little example of some of my favorites. But there's plenty more. We're not touched on yet.
No
There's
touchdown,
too much to
right?
go through.
And I'm so looking forward to meet up with you on the Step Forward podcast chat. You know what I mean? And to share some of your music, some of the stuff you've written and recorded, and we'll share with everybody where they can listen to some of your stuff. All right?
Yes, I'd love that. Thank you very much for that.
No
Yes,
problem.
can't wait.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Mycallisrell. Bless up yourself.
On a love theme. It's all about the love song. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Michael gonna tump it up with new and revival love song. All the best tunes everyone can sing